Hi, we're Earl and Claire Reifel, missionaries to Sierra Leone, West Africa. We are part of a team with Faith and Roy Hill, who are currently serving in Sierra Leone. They are our feet on the ground there, accomplishing our projects that need to be done, and we are the feet here in the U.S., raising funds and prayer support to support them.
Along with church planting, they're also involved in mobile clinics, well digging, and helping to build churches. Our most recent project is a church at Bumban, where they're enlarging the church that was planted a few years back. So we appreciate your prayers as they continue to do evangelism in the clinics and continue to reach out into the local areas.
You should end with thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Oh, all right. The yellow dots on the map are the villages that they've reached since the war. The green dots are the churches that they've planted since the war. And so we'd appreciate your prayers as they continue to progress and show the Jesus film and continue to reach out to the villages in their areas. You can see there's vast areas that are not reached, and we'd ask for your prayers for that. We appreciate your support and your faithfulness. Thank you very much.
This morning we were invited to come to go to church at the village of Bumban. Bumban was a church outreach site for when we were working with the Bible students doing evangelism. It was one of the places that we came to do preaching. They established a body of believers, and we baptized 8 or 9 believers by the 2nd or 3rd year, and then now they have a church. So one of our former Bible school students who has graduated is now the pastor here. His name is Pastor Daniel. This is the church bell that they knock to let everybody know that it's time for church. And this is the building here. And actually it's Pastor Daniel and Roy that are standing right there just inside, if you can see them. So there's Roy talking with Pastor Daniel, who has faithfully served here. He does a fantastic job. This building doubles as the school because it's a small village and they don't have a building for a school, so we as a church allow for that. And it lets us put Christian education into the curriculum as well. You'll notice this little bit of a wall being built off to the side. That is because the church has grown to the point that this building is no longer sufficient. So they themselves have knocked blocks. That's what they call it when they make these clay blocks. And they have created this addition that they are building up then. And then they'll just extend the roof out over the addition to include it. When that's completed, then they'll take out the wall that used to be and fill up the floor and have it all be level. So this is exciting to come and see how much this church has grown from when we first started doing evangelism here 10 years ago. 12 years ago, sorry. But this is the inside of the building. Here's some of the kids that have come for church. And here's the pulpit. This is Mommy Montene. She came with us from the Bible school. She comes here to encourage and visit with them. And this is Pastor Daniel. Pastor Daniel, yes, say hello.
How are you?
Pastor Daniel serves faithfully. He and his wife Elizabeth have twins named Peter and Paul, and then a new addition to their family named John.